In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Instagram account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Instagram account and 30 days have passed, then it means that that Instagram account is now permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted Instagram account, you need to open your internet browser and in the search bar, you need to type instagram.com/support. Click on search. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and tap on this manage your account option. Click on the first option, scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end of the paragraph, do not forget to mention your username and email address that was linked with your deleted Instagram account. Once you have done that, tap on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.